Alright, we're going to show you an activity where you can use your whole body to show phonemic awareness, where you can say a word and then show those sounds by jumping. We're going to use hula hoops behind us, and we're going to use sidewalk chalk. So this is a great activity for kids to get them moving, and that helps them remember things a little bit better whenever they can move and do things. So let's show our friends in class how we're going to do this, okay? I'm picking the word pig, so I'll show you the word pig. Come back here with me. So I'm going to say the word pig, and I go, huh, pig, g, pig. So then I'm going to write it, so I'm going to say, huh, I, g, pig, all right? Brooks, he's going to pick the word dad, okay? Can you say the word and then show us as you sound it out?
Dad.
Okay.
Da. Da.
What's the word?
Da.
Okay. Can you write it? What's the sound for that letter?
D.
D. And what's the sound?
D.
Uh-huh. And what's the next letter?
A.
Uh-huh. What's the sound?
A.
Okay. What's the last letter?
D.
Okay. What's that sound?
D.
Dad. That's a great word, right? Thank you for helping me.